How to add college, high school, or university on Facebook profile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add your college, high school, or university to your Facebook profile. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon, which can be seen in the top left side of the screen. And now here, once you are in the profile section, then what you can do is just tap on edit profile button. And after that, on the next page, you can simply scroll down and search for the education option. And there, in the education, you can just choose high school, college, or university right there. And after that, you can simply search and select your school name. And after that, you can add start year and end year. And once you're done with that, you can choose whether it's public or private. And once you're done with all that, you can just have save to save your changes. And once you do it, your school will now appear on your Facebook profile. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.